So now we get to the meat of it, and here's what we ended up with. 2 Funko Pops, 89 and 91. So take them in order. This one is the TIE Fighter pilot. I'm trying to keep the glare off of it. Pretty neat. Yep, very cool. So that's the first one. And this one is supposed to be exclusive to this box. So this is the Captain Phasma Chrome. And he's very shiny. Ooh, shiny. So yeah, very cool. And that's it. That's the full contents of that box. And when I get the next one, I'll do an unboxing for that too. Thanks for watching.